Vivo's sub-brand iQoo has finally launched the iQoo Neo7. It is a flagship smartphone which comes with AMOLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 9000 plus chipset, 8GB to 12GB RAM, and 128GB to 512GB internal storage. It has triple camera setup with the main sensor of 50 megapixels. It is available in three colors: blue, black, and orange. It is a flagship smartphone which has a liquid cool system to reduce heating issues. It has under-display fingerprint sensor, USB Type-C port, and there is no headphone jack in it. In terms of display, Vivo iQoo Neo7 has AMOLED panel with 6.78 inches. It comes with a higher refresh rate of 120Hz and 388 ppi density. You can get great color contrast photos and videos with a higher resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels from it. If we look at the dimensions, then the height of Vivo iQoo Neo7 is 164.8mm, width 76.9mm, and thickness is 8.5mm. This phone is powered with the flagship chipset MediaTek Dimensity 9000 plus 4nm with the support of octa-core CPU 3.2 GHz and GPU of MaqTech 710. It runs on the operating system of Android 13, which provide a powerful hardware support to boost the performance of the smartphone. This chipset shows better performance than the chipset of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It comes with 8GB to 12GB RAM and equipped with 128GB, 256GB and 512GB internal storage. There is no card slot in it to expand memory. If we talk about the battery, then Vivo iQoo Neo7 has massive and non-removable battery of Vivo 5000 mAh with a fast charging of 120 watt, which can charge your phone 50% in 9 minutes. It shows great battery life, which is enough for our daily routine. This phone comes with a slightly different camera module design than the iQoo Neo6. Vivo iQoo Neo7 comes with triple camera setup. Two cameras are placed inside in a ring and the third one is placed in a square-shaped cutout. It has primary sensor of 50 megapixels of Sony IMX766 with an aperture of f1.9. You can capture amazing photos and record high-quality videos of 4K at 30 frames per second from it. 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera with aperture of f2.2 and a 2 megapixels macro camera with aperture of f2.4 is given. It has 16 megapixel selfie camera at the front with aperture of f2.5. The price of Vivo iQoo Neo7 is $430 and its price in Pakistan is 94,750 rupees. If we look over performance and the features of Vivo iQoo Neo7, then it is a mid-range gaming smartphone from Vivo with great features. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.